Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to georeference an image in Autocad using Google Earth. First, go and confirm the unit, tools, the options, then make sure just where it is saying show the latitude, make sure it's an UTM, then and the units of measurement, meters, kilometers, then okay. For my case, I'm going to do Weasley. So first point, that's where I want to align first point. Then make sure you in your notepad go and copy the coordinates, the easting and northings. So let's say I want to copy. Now equate for point 2. Make sure you save that point as point 1. Okay. Then create another point, that's point 2. Anywhere you can place anywhere, but it's for the purpose of georeferencing, learning how to georeference in Autocad. So copy the same units, the eastings. Then for the northings, you do also copy. But you have now a full list of northing easting for point 1 and 2. So remember to save the second point as point 2. Just save it. Now go to Autocad. Now before going to Autocad, you save the image. For my case, I'm going to save it as loading. Yes, maximum solution. The solution. I want to save the image as easily too because I had the first one. So the image has been saved. So let's go to Autocad faster. Let's have a circle for reference. Call it point 1. This you right click properties, and this thing go and copy the exact you did in your notepad. So paste. Now you are northings. Make sure you copy the right thing and then paste, then enter. Okay, see, that's the first circle. And for the purpose of distinction from the second point, let's color it red. Then go again and have a second circle somewhere here. You do the same thing. Right click properties, the easting, go and copy. Remember, you don't have to copy the other initials, just the number. Then you paste. The northings, do the same thing you've done to easting. Copy, then paste, then press enter. See, that's the second circle, that's where it has aligned. So what's remaining is to bring our image. You go to insert, attach, yeah, then that's my image. open it. This point, don't bother to do anything, just click OK and zoom out for you to get a space for you to align the image. Make sure the image has a space, then click anywhere. Now you can see your point, these points, and then your circle. We said our circle is the first point, second circle which is not colored red, the second point. So now you go to Georeference. Now let's center them. Go to here, home. You see this icon called modify. Click it. That this first icon again, the called align. Now you click it. Now it will ask you to select an object. So our object is the image. You click outer side. I've done it. Then you press enter. After pressing enter, it will tell you to specify the first source. So this is our first source. Zoom until you find this. Then you click. Then you go to where our first circle is, and you should make the snap tool be active for you to get to know the center of the circle. So our snap tool is okay. So you click enter, you left click, then it tells you to go and pick the second point. So our second point, you click, go again, that's our center. Then you don't have the third point. So what you do, you click enter. Then it will tell you align scale objects based on alignment points. Now you click here, the yes. You see, it has aligned. But now our points have been sent to the back. You can see. Now you click at that edge of the image. Then you right click. You go here, draw order. You send it back. So you can do what? You can delete these circles. So delete the circles. See, just an easy task. Then delete. So our image is now georeferenced. You can do whatever you want to do. And thank you.